Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Nowadays I'm at home and it's a lovely morning here guys, and today I thought of let's go to my apple farm and let's take a quick look before we harvest them. And we have already done our spray schedules and we are already near to pluck them. Around 10 to 12 days we're going to pluck them. So I have just started from my house. My apple farm, apple orchard is little bit far away from my house, so going there right now. And guys, I always say if you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, please like all my videos. I'm working on daily basis and every week I post a video on my channel. Press the bell icon and show your love, which you always do. Thank you so much for watching. Look at this lovely background behind me. 360-degree mountains, Himalayas, and my locality, guys. Let's go there now. Stay tuned. Do not skip the video, guys. Okay? Now guys, I have already entered to my farm. Look at the apples. Look at the types of apples over here. And I will tell you in this video later on what chemistry, what happens to the apple that brings red green color. They are actually right now green and with a little bit of reddish color is coming to them. It's going to come completely red blood color on later stage. Let's move. Check it out guys, check it out. Keep enjoying, keep watching, don't skip. This all belongs to us, everything. Over here I discovered another tree, pears, guys. It's ripe pears. I'm going to pluck them also right now and show you. Pears are ripe already and I'm going to pluck them. I have plucked these many pears. Click from my bag, and I have reached to this apple tree now. These are apple delicious which are not ready to pluck right now, and on this tree there are like 3-4 different varieties available. So this type of apple is already ready to pluck. Okay guys, this apple is called Red June, is ready to pluck or ready to eat ripe in the month of June and July mid. So it's ready to pluck. I'm plucking this already, and I'm going to send it to my relatives, a gift from my side. Okay, a giveaway. So that's how we live here, guys. This is a gesture from my side, a little bit, and I'm doing it with my hand while shooting and sharing with you guys. So this is about it, and let me take you next. This is how our apple tree is full of apple with different types of fruit over it, and you can see a Granny Smith green apple, a red delicious, this is a royal, fully covered with apple fruit. It will be similar to blood color after few days when we will apply ether spray to it, and which will help to give a great color to it and helps in the ripening and enhancing its taste. So this is about it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching. Share by your comments below section and share this video with your friends, guys. Do not hesitate to ask me any questions. If you want to place any order with me for these fruit directly from my farm, you can also do that. I'm there to support anybody from all over this country. Just let me know, guys. Okay, till the time, I want to say thank you so much and keep supporting. Have a lovely time, be safe, and take care. Keep traveling and keep exploring. Bye bye.